Here's how to check your Roblox password in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. You cannot directly see your Roblox password for security reasons. But I'll show you the correct way to recover or reset it. First, open the Roblox app or go to the Roblox website on your phone or browser. Tap Log In. If you don't remember your password, tap Forgot Password or Username. Enter your email address or phone number linked to your Roblox account. Roblox will send you a reset link by email or text message. Open the link to continue. Enter a new password. Make sure it's strong and different from your old one. Confirm the new password. Now log in to Roblox using your updated password. Never share your Roblox password with anyone, and enable two-step verification for extra security. And that's it. That's how you recover your Roblox password safely. Subscribe for more Roblox and phone tips.